guys can see all that bang and that lush in the front, like, can you guys tell that I'm obsessed? Alright guys, we are back today with another hair video. So today's going to be another talk through video because it's going to be very simple. So shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So you guys know Unice Hair Company is kind of one of the first companies to roll out with the 5x5 closure where to go type of units. So they actually have a new style unit on the market, guys, which is absolutely gorgeous right here. So I will go ahead and do an up close for you guys so you guys can actually see the lace and everything with this unit. Now this unit, guys, already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything about it, and obviously you guys can see it still has the pre-cut lace mechanism. So this is their new type of wig, guys. This is the Byebye knots wig. So with this one, you don't see any of the knots on this unit whatsoever. They bleached the unit to perfection, guys, as you guys can tell. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Now this is a body wave texture unit, guys, so what I did was go ahead and just pre-curl it. I did not co-wash this unit or anything like that, guys. It already came with a little bit of a wave to it. So all I did was go in and amplify the waves up by adding some curls to it. What I'm going to do today is show you guys how I layer this unit, because that's kind of like a highly requested thing. I'm going to go ahead and layer it and just you know, fluffing up the curls for you guys. But this unit is very simple, guys. Buttery, soft, nice, gorgeous. It comes with 2 combs right here, a comb in the back area, and this amazing adjustable strap that you're going to need to secure this wig down. Like I said, the unit is already pre-cut, guys, so I don't have to cut this unit. For my girls out there that do have widow's peak, there is like a little widow's peak area right here, so it works for people who have widow's peaks, but I thought that was really cool. So I'm probably just going to cut a little bit of that off. The baby hair is already pre-placed and everything like that. If you want to go ahead and tweeze some of the hair out, you can, but I think I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So yeah, so let me go ahead and pop this unit off and show you guys what I'm working. Alright guys, as you guys can see, they did an excellent job with these knots on this unit. It looks really, really good. I'm actually going to go ahead and spray so the middle part can be very, very prominent, but you guys can see, look at how beautiful this hair is. Like I said, I did a light curl to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to layer it. I secure the wig down. I'm gonna go ahead and push the combs in on this one on the sides, just so that I have like a little bit of extra security on this unit. The unit is very pretty, guys. Like, I'm looking for a nice kind of like wavy style unit for the winter time that doesn't require me to glue it down. And it's even better that it's in the winter time, so you don't really need to use glues or anything like that. The wig's gonna stay down. It's not gonna get all sweaty. So look at that, guys. Just straight off the bat, it looks really, really cute. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and put like a little bit of a layer into it. But I feel like, let's just run our hand through it. I'm gonna have to run my hand through it anyway. So this is the body wave texture with added curls. Let's go ahead and run our hands through it so we can see what type of curls we got to start off with. Okay, and with body wave texture, it always curls absolutely stunningly. So you guys can see the hair has tons of volume. Very, very pretty. Look at that, tons of volume. I added a little bit of the Even Winter Lace hairspray to it to make it stick. So I have my Hot Tools curler, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this to curl my hair. This is what I used to curl the wig initially. I don't think I need to use a hot comb right now, for now. I usually like to sharpen this area up right here, but I'll do that after I get the layering done. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this much hair from this side. And I'm gonna clip this one back. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, about that much hair. Usually I like to drag some hair on the sides right here, so I'm gonna actually pull some of the side hairs out as well too, and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna get some hair from here as well. Let's see, is this enough? I always have to make sure both sides kind of match in a way, you know what I mean? They kind of have like the same amount of hair on both sides. Alright, so that's enough. So we have hair on both sides. So what I'm gonna do with this haircut, since I'm not a professional artist, so I'm gonna teach you guys the way I would do it. I kind of found like a new technique. I usually like the bangs to come right here, so I'm gonna go for the angle of my nose. So for instance, I'm gonna grab this piece right here, bring it down, and I'm basically cutting it at the angle of my nose. So I'll be cutting it downwards like that. And you're just basically going down the scale. Hope that makes sense, guys. So just from this part of my nose, and you'll get like more of a feather bang that way. So I'm gonna try to get on this side. feel like there's more hair on this side. Yeah, definitely more hair. Ooh, look at that, guys. So there's a little extra hair on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull like a little bit more, but I feel like this cut looks good so far. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit more hair on this side and just feather down like I did with the other one. There we go. Okay, so that's the front of it. I feel like that looks really good. So I'll go ahead and grab like these two pieces right here, like just a little piece in the front, and I'll go back in and cut a little bit more. Like there. Same thing on this side. And the hair is very silky and soft, guys, by the way. Look how soft and silky this hair is. And I'm not a professional, guys, but the hairstyle be hitting, period. Alright guys, so I got the desired look that I wanted as far as the cut goes. So I'm just playing with the baby hairs, just separating things. I'm going to use a little bit of a wax stick just to pull a lot of this baby hairs and flyaways out of the way. I'm not really going to put too much on here because I don't want the hair to be greasy. As you guys can see, the hair has like this really pretty bounce to it, especially the bang area. It's almost giving that feathered bang look without me even trying. So they did a really, really good job on that factor. So I'm gonna leave the baby hairs the way they are. I'm not gonna do anything to them. They're very nice and natural and fluffy baby hairs. So they're not like plastered to my head, which I think looks really good. So you guys can see this is the layered look right here in the front. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just curl it for you guys. I'll show you guys like one or two curls. I'm gonna fast forward because that's like, come on, curling hair, like, come on. So I like to get the top part right here, especially this little top piece right here, because you want to make sure you get like a nice amount of oomph. And we're gonna curl. The bangs are going to give Farrah Fawcett. I don't know if it's the way they constructed this cap, this wig cap or whatever, but it's giving very nice kind of winter, you know, volume. Like, look at that, how pretty that is. So let me go ahead and curl this little piece so I can show you guys. And I cut it at a pretty short length, but like I said, I wanted more of that feathered bang look, so I feel like this would give it. And this curling size, I forgot what size this curler is, but I feel like a bigger curler size will give you more. Look at that. So yeah. One thing I can say about Unice Hair Company, their hair curls very nicely. Like, this hair has no problems curling whatsoever, guys, like whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a few curls to it. I want to show you guys how I cut and layered it. Let me actually curl this little piece right here on the front area where it goes down a little bit further. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab like this much hair right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl this back into the hair. You guys will kind of see the layered effect. This one's like a little bit shorter, not as short as the bang part, but you guys kind of, you see that? Like that. And you just pull the hair, and it should go ahead and formulate like a nice little zhuzh. So you get like a little bit of a zhuzh. Like I said, the hair is very soft, so it just looks very effortless. Like, you know, like, hello. So this is basically it for today's hair video, guys. Very, very simple. You guys know I gotta do my little comb slide through, so you guys know that this is Glueless AF. I'll even go ahead and show you guys the lift up and lift down. The unit is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Very effortless style. Like I said, I kept it very simple with this unit. Didn't do too much or whatever. Just literally styled it by cutting it, adding some curls. And you guys can see, look at the bounce on this hair. Not only are these Byebye knots just everything right now, the fact that this hair is very buttery and soft. I added a little hairspray on it. You guys can see all the volume and luster that this unit has. Very, very gorgeous, guys, and I feel like the cut definitely elevated the unit up a little bit. I do feel like just a regular, you know, 24-inch curls is cute, but when you add like a little bit of a curl, and you guys know these little Farrah Fawcett bangs are on trend, and I think this will be definitely a great style for the fall time, guys. Just very nice and gives more of like a cozy vibe with the bangs. So let me know what you guys think about the cut. I think I showed you guys a little something with the cut. This unit is a same day install, shake and go type of hairstyle. You can't go wrong with this one. For my people who have widow's peaks, these types of units work perfect. I did go ahead and snip a little bit of that off, but you guys can see that natural pull through. These Byebye knots are giving everything that they're supposed to give. You cannot tell me that this wig doesn't look natural. The middle part cleanup I did is very cute and nice, just to kind of give you guys more of a boom factor with the middle part. You guys can see it more prominent. You guys just see how this hair just, come on. I didn't even have to tweeze this unit, guys, pluck it, whatever, do anything to it, bleach it, anything. Straight out the box. This is how you're gonna get the unit, guys. Fabulous AF. So I'll turn around and show you guys what the unit looks like as far as the length. The length is perfect. 24 inches is a true length on this one. I do feel like the density is more of a natural density, but in this case, I do like a natural density with the body wave just because the hair has more fluff. Like the hair is giving va, boom. Like you guys can see all that bang and that lush in the front. Like, can you guys tell that I'm obsessed? Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and leave a coupon code down below, including the links to this unit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.